Hello dear friends, I know how exciting it is when you start your job life for the first time. So in this video, I'm gonna share the step-by-step process to share start a new job post on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. So after opening your Facebook profile, just click here, click on this box, and now look at these options. So scroll down a little bit, and now click on the last second option, live event. Now select the first option, work. Now select the first option, new job. Now you gotta fill up some options here. Now look at the top right corner, here is a photo and video option. If you want to add a photo or a video, just click here. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery. Select the picture that you want to add. Now click on down at the top right corner. It's compulsory to put your information, so just click on this plus icon. And now type your job role. For example, I'm typing here, office. And by default, you get some preset options here. Now select your job role from those given options, which is close to your original job. For example, I'm selecting here Administrative Office Assistant, and if you want to write an additional description about your job, you can do that too. Just click here, say something about this. So after filling up all your information, just click on the next button at the top right corner. And after writing and adding everything, just click on this post option at the top right corner. So this is how you can start a new job post on Facebook. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you wants more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.